In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone answer an iPhone FaceTime call. We all know the frustration when you're eager to connect with someone and they don't pick up. But don't worry, I've got some simple but effective techniques that can increase the likelihood of your call being answered. Let's kick things off with a friendly heads up message. Before you initiate the FaceTime call, it's always a good idea to send a quick text message. Something as simple as "Hey, quick FaceTime" could really do the trick. By doing this, you set the stage and increase the chances that the person on the other end won't just see an unexpected call, but will be prepared and more willing to answer. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to reaching out to someone. You'll want to consider the best time to place your FaceTime call. Avoid calling too early in the morning or too late at night, because these are times when people are either preparing for the day or winding down for bedtime. Instead, try to aim for a call during times when people are more likely to be free, such as lunchtime or in the early evening. These are typically the moments when they have a bit of downtime and are more available to chat. Next up, let's talk about personalization. In our digital age, it's easy to ignore a random call from an unknown number. To counter this, make sure you set a recognizable name and photo in your contact details. Having a familiar face or name pop up on their screen when you're calling not only reassures them, but also increases the likelihood that they'll pick up, since they know exactly who is reaching out. So take a moment to ensure your contact information stands out. If your first call goes unanswered, don't be disheartened. A polite technique can be to try calling again. Waiting just a few minutes before attempting a second call can signal to the other person that it might be something important, without the pressure of feeling like they're being spammed. It's a gentle nudge that can make all the difference. Lastly, if your calls go unanswered and you're using iOS 17 or later, take advantage of the video voicemail feature. Leave a brief and engaging video message. This is a great way to not only get your message across, but also engage the person with your tone and expression. A video message can pique their curiosity and encourage them to return your call once they see your face and hear your voice. By applying these strategies, you enhance the likelihood of your FaceTime calls being answered while maintaining a pleasant and respectful approach. So, give these tips a try and connect more seamlessly with your friends, family, or colleagues. Happy FaceTiming.